Hi, I'm Dr. Frederick, creator of Dr. Frederick's Original, here to talk to you about 7 easy at-home things you can do to keep your feet happy and healthy. Your feet are your best friends. Treat them right and they'll get you where you need to go. Tip number 1, stretch. Stretching in the morning or before a workout is a great way to avoid plantar fasciitis, tendinitis, and other foot pain. One of my favorite stretches involves standing on a step with your heels off the step and slowly lowering your heels. You can also stretch from the comfort of your bed by tracing the alphabet or writing your name or the name of your sweetie with your foot. Tip number 2, eat a healthy diet. This might not be as obvious as some of our other tips, but diet plays a huge part in foot health. Avoiding unhealthy food, at least most of the time, and maintaining a healthy weight puts less pressure on your feet and means you'll potentially avoid diabetes, neuropathy, and other serious complications. Tip number 3, cut toenails properly. Cut your toenails straight across without any curving to prevent toe pain or irritating ingrown toenails. Remember, use toenail clippers, not scissors. Tip number 4, ice or heat your feet. Both ice and heat can soothe sore feet, but it's important to know which to use and when. Ice is great for pain from trauma and to reduce swelling or bruising. It's also helpful to relieve discomfort from plantar fasciitis. Heat, on the other hand, is better for arthritis pain or superficial hematomas. Tip number 5, reduce your calluses. Using a pumice stone or foot scrub after the shower to reduce calluses will help keep your feet feeling smooth and pain-free. Also, it just feels nice, and your partner will thank you for keeping sharp heels out of bed. Tip number 6, lotion your feet. Dry, cracked skin on the foot can cause painful foot ulcers or calluses. Avoid this by pampering with lotion at least once a day. Self-care is healthcare. And tip number 7, elevate your legs to reduce swelling. Elevate your legs above the level of your heart for 30 minutes, ideally 2 to 4 times daily, to help reduce lower leg swelling and help blood and lymph flow. Please don't do this if you have a heart condition like congestive heart failure. And that's it, 7 free things you can do at home to help keep your feet happy and healthy.